Today, I got a home that is just absolutely amazing. And as you can see by that view, we're going to have a good time on this tour. So just stick with me as we tour this beautiful home right here at the base of South Mountain. See you in a second. as you can see, I am wrapping up here in this particular home. But just to give you the stats on this house, you're looking at roughly 4,500 square foot in a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. But you have 2 bonus rooms in here. One currently is being used as an office, and the other one is just being used more like a game room or a theater room. So if you truly did need another bedroom, because, at this 4, most people are looking at 5, you have that option, okay? Sorry. But anyway, this home is phenomenal right here in Phoenix with a great location. So if this works for you, hey, get in contact and we'll make sure you get a good view. See you on the next one.